Namaste. Meditation is a practice that involves focusing our mind to achieve calmness, clarity, and inner peace. There are different types of meditations: sound meditation, Jyotir meditation, transcendental meditation, visualization meditation. Different types of meditations are there, or they are the different ways to achieve one and the same goal. Now let us try a sound therapy. Sound therapy is used to cure our diseases like anxiety, especially those who are having some too much stress, tension. There are patients who are suffering because of their mind is a psychosomatic diseases. So this sound therapy can heal their physical disease by changing their mind, or by bringing their mind into calm, quiet, serene.